what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today, as you guys can see from the title and thumbnail, your girl has a blonde wig, okay? I have blonde hair, guys. The company I have the honor of working with today is called Lush Wig. So they reached out to me and they did say they wanted to promote some blonde hair. Y'all know I have done blonde. I can count on my fingers how many times I've done straight blonde. So I was kind of like, but now that the wig is on, you know, and I styled it a little bit how I like, I'm really impressed with how I did it. I think it looks good. I mean, could it be a little bit flatter? Yeah, but we're not even gonna talk about it. So first things first, I do want to go over packaging with this company. So this is the box, really cute. It's a nice gold text, and inside they have some really nice goodies. These are probably like my favorite goodies. These eyelashes are the bomb. These are literally the kind you see everywhere. Of course, in a pack of wig caps. And then they included this little tail comb. So, shipping, I'd say it took, let's see, I'm trying to figure out the carrier. I believe the package, I did get it via DHL. It took about 3 to 4 days, not long at all. My personal thoughts. I really like the wig. I think it's cute. I think it's just the right amount of hair. It isn't too big or anything because, oh my god. I hate when blonde hair is really bulky and just big, too thick. It just does not give what it's supposed to give. So y'all are going to see my installation, and it was a pretty quick process, and I didn't do any baby hairs because I just didn't want to, but I really am loving the contrast of the blonde on my brown skin. It looks really good. It looks better than I thought because halfway through putting the wig on I was like, I'm not 100% sure if this is going to look right, but it looks good nevertheless. So I don't want to talk you guys' head off. I will probably do a voiceover and that'll be that. So let's just hop right into this video. Thank you to Lush Wig for sending me this hair. I love you guys, and I will see you on the next video.
Just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build through different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Funny how everything changed once you got all that you wanted. Nothing was ever the same. And though I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I still want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you.
Say, little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both. I don't want to choose, and I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't rub with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody move. Now she say she gon' do what or who? Let's find out and see. Cardi B, you know where I'm at, you know where I be. You in the club, just to party, I'm there, I get paid to be. I be in and out them things so much, I know they tired of me. Honestly, don't give a fuck about who ain't fond of me. Drop 2 mixtapes in 6 months, no bitch working as hard as me. I don't bother with these hoes, don't let these hoes bother me. They see pictures, they say goals, bitch I'm who they tryna be. Look, I might just chill in some babe, I These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't rub with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody move. If you a pussy, you get popped. You a goofy, you a op. Let you come around my way, you can't hang around my block. And I just check my account, turns out I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm putting my hand up with my hand up, bitch, with them heat. I said you put the money in gold, you should have got like a stove. I just don't roll for no rolls, I just came up in no rave. I need to fill up the tank, no, I need to fill up the safe. I need to let all these hoes know they know that they don't do it right. I go to United States, I need the room to relate. I used to live in the peace, now it's the crib with the gate. I leave that charm for life on the plane. I do let these bitches know, just in case these hoes forgot. I just wanna check them more, another check on more than bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. It's the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't rub with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody moves.
Drive me a dessert. No time to have you lurking. You make a white man, you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to